This is a Bluetooth portable micro receiver. It allows you to transmit your computer or mobile device's audio to any speaker with a 3.5mm output via Bluetooth. Or you can connect it to any 3.5mm cable and use it as the receiver, turning any pair of regular headphones into Bluetooth. Or you can connect it in your car. Pause, play, invoke your assistant, and even make and answer calls. The microphone will allow you to talk while hearing the other person through your speakers. You can recharge using micro USB. The dual link system allows you to pair not one but two phones at the same time. Get yours at partsexpress.com.